guys, just a quick look at the 340. Changing the wheel setup. It's probably going to be a temporary set though. I'm putting on some 437Ms, but they're in really bad condition though. I just got them off marketplace, but it was a good deal, so I just took it. They came with tires too, so yeah, I'm gonna just see what it looks like on the car, because I'm planning to change up this car a little bit. I've had it for a while and I've only had like a catless downpipe stage 2, but I'm trying to make some more power, you know, because I think I've actually decided I'm just going to keep this car for a while, make the max potential out the B58. I just wanted to change the wheel setup to give me a new feel to the car. Some of them are even bent, actually, the rims, but yeah, that's why I said it's a temporary setup. But I'm gonna just show y'all the rim right here. They're getting them, well, they're putting one tire on right now. The other 3 was already on, but those are getting balanced. Yeah, as y'all can see, so this is probably the last time y'all gonna see the 340 on the TEs. Maybe not, because once I put these on, I'm probably gonna get like a fresh set of 437Ms if I like how they look, and probably sell these. Or maybe I'm going to take those off because it's bent, like I said. So if it's like really bad when I'm driving, if I can feel like the vibration or anything, I'm probably just gonna put the TEs back on. If not, I'm probably gonna sell these and get some fresh 437Ms if I like how it looks. If not, I'm probably gonna get some chrome wheels or something like that. But yeah, I'm just recording on my phone right now, so I ain't even brought my GoPro. Yeah, it's definitely not a permanent setup, but this is what they look like. And as y'all can see, them shit's busted up. But from a distance, you can't really tell that they're that bad. And second thing, they're way too wide for the car. The rears are good, but the fronts are way too wide. They're 265s. I'm just gonna try them on just to see what it looks like. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys, because I feel like it's gonna look pretty good. So this is what my car looking like right now. I should have taken it outside to show y'all better, but you guys know what it looks like. So that's a little before, and I'm gonna show y'all the after once I get the 437Ms on. Boys, my hands are dirty as well, but this is what it's looking like so far. I got this side done, but I didn't tighten them yet. But yeah, that's what it's looking like, bro. I think this shit gonna look good, but as y'all can see right here, that's a pretty major bend, bro. So yeah, I don't even think I'm gonna be able to run it. Look, let me put it a little bit further out. I'm curious to see what it's gonna feel like when I'm driving. Then I might drive with it for a little bit. Hopefully I can at least drive with it for a day or something. I'm just trying to, you know, get a feel of the car. Get used to the look with these. But look at the back, bro. Like, I love the way the 437M sit. I think I'm definitely, yeah, look at this side though. This yeah, this one of the TEs right here. So let me know which one y'all prefer, this side or this side. It just sucks I couldn't get some better ones, but it's still a good deal because the tires are pretty good. I have like 5 tires and they're all really good. So with the money I spent, at least I got some good tires out of it. But hopefully this doesn't feel bad, bro. I'm gonna give the car a proper wash after. This thing is filthy. These things are sitting very nice, and it's flush fitment, no spacers, nothing, and damn, like, that's perfect. And yeah, I'm just getting videos of all angles so I can compare them. Boys, this actually just a voiceover because my hand was blocking my mic. I was recording on my phone, but this is what they look like. And in my opinion, they look pretty good. I really like them a lot. And around this part of the video, I think I was saying something like 437Ms are the best looking wheels you can get for your F series BMW. In my opinion, it's some of the best wheels. You can't really go wrong with them. I've never seen them on a BMW and they actually look bad. So yeah, they look pretty good. Unfortunately, I was not able to drive the car. As y'all can see, that's my garage right there. I pulled it out the garage. It came out not so easy. I thought, you know, the car was just tripping a little bit, but turns out the wheels in the front were rubbing. So if y'all are thinking about getting 437Ms, just know the widest you can fit in the front is like a 255, and that's still not recommended. So I would say make sure you get like a 235 or something of that sort if you're trying to run it, because I got 265s in the front and this thing like was not moving. Like, it's fully rubbing on the strut tower. I'll show y'all the clip. I'm gonna try to put the sound in, but it was really bad. I don't know what my phone was doing. I'm just gonna put the TEs back on. I'll show you guys what it's doing right now. I don't even, if any of you guys know in the comments, please let me know what it's doing, because this shit got me scared. That's why I'm just parked up right here. And yeah, that's how my car looks like. It's first time seeing it. It's a bit dirty right now, but look, I'm in reverse. Handbrake down. And look, that shit is not moving, bro. So like, damn, if I give it enough gas, then it will roll, but y'all will hear it though, because I mean I gotta get it in the garage one year or the next, so hopefully it doesn't break by the time I do that. But yeah, y'all see that. Damn, man, that shit loud as fuck too, like, nah, bro. But yeah, 265s, it's impossible to run. The rims in the front are 19 by 9.5. The ones in the rear are 19 by 10. But I'm running 265 30 19s up front, 265 35 19s in the rear. And I didn't buy the tires thinking I was going to be able to run them on my car just like that. Like I said, the tires came with the wheels. So that's why I just tried them on the car just to see what it looks like. I was hoping to at least be able to drive it a little bit. But I mean, at least I tested it out so y'all don't have to. So if you are thinking about getting 437Ms, in the rear, 265 is cool. But up front, try to run nothing more than a 235 because it's not an M3 and these are M wheels. So we don't have that wide of wheelbases as them, nor are the F30 fenders as aggressive for these wheels. So you just have to run some smaller ones up front, and in the rear, you should be good with like 265s, probably even above that, I'm not sure. But I managed to get my car back in the garage. It wasn't the easiest thing to do. That thing was rubbing like crazy, as y'all saw. But yeah, this is what they're looking like. And let me know if you guys prefer the TEs, the 437Ms, or should I go like chrome wheels or something if I'm changing the wheel setup. But yeah, thank y'all boys for watching.